Hi guys, this is Howie from Sold Freaks. For today, we're going to open a Chinese brand. So this is the Wade All City 9 version 2. Guys, for today we're going to unbox and have a detailed look of the Wade All City 9 version 2. So this is the box, and yeah, since this is a Li-Ning brand, so this is the Li-Ning logo, and the Wade logo, which is the signature sa sapatos niya, makikita niyo mamaya. And then this is the global brand Wade. So let's open it. So, sa loob, ito yung shoes. Tapos ito yung tissue. Yan. Yan lang actually yung laman niya sa loob. Yan. Ayan. So, this is it. The Wade All City 9 version 2. So, a little bit history. There's a subsidiary of Li-Ning, which is the Wade, which is the signature shoe of Dwayne Wade. So gumawa na rin siya ng sariling brand similar to Michael Jordan and Stephen Curry. So sarili na niyang brand tong Wade or Wow. So si Wade, meron siyang flagship release, which is the Wade 9, and then there's this another series which is the All City 9. It's similar to the sneakers that LeBron is releasing, like its flagship, and then the LeBron Witness, the LeBron Soldier, so similar lang to don. So the Wade has the flagship, the All City, and then the Vision. So this is the Wade All City series. So the difference between the All City 9 version 2 to the 1.5 version is that this has the straps. Yung All City 9 version 1.5 has the laces. So let's talk about the specs. Sa outsole and midsole, it has the boom unit. It's like their zoom version. So gumawa rin sila ng sarili niya ng cushioning, which is the boom unit. And then the entire cushioning of this sneaker is Cloud Light. Tapos si Jordan naglabas ng Eclipse plate, so sila naman meron Pro Bar lock. Ito yun. So recap, this is a boom unit cushioned sneakers with a midsole, which is the Cloud Light, and then Pro Bar lock. Yan. On top of it, the upper is made out of textile, so it's a very good quality of textile, a mixture of mesh, fiber, and then the Velcro is the modern take of Velcro, hindi na yung medyo furry na Velcro, so maganda yung kapit niya. And so this also has strap in here, yan, for lockdown. So ayan. And then inside of it, it has its own insole. I don't know what the material of it. I think it's the regular insole of Li-Ning. But I'll post the comment or description kapag nakita ko kung ano talaga yung insole nito. So inside of it is a very well padded inside. So ayan. It's made out of neoprene. Ayan. So ito yung tsura sa ilalim. Ito yung boom unit. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, signature ng Wade, yung logo, lagi nandito. Ayan. So, this was released last month. So I think that's first week of September. I think that's September 4. So nirelease itong kulay na to. So this is what they call the purple lightning. Ayan. And there are a couple of new colorways, so check nyo na lang yung Way of Wade website. I'll post the website on the description. So let's talk about the fit and sizing. This fits true to size. So kung ano man yung size nyo sa Jordan, sa Nike, swak na swak yung sizing nila. So the fit of it is hindi siya masyadong snug, but you can feel it because kapag bago medyo angat pa yung mga cushion and support sa loob. So the lightness of this is a bit heavier compared to the Kobe's, because I think of the rubber compound that they used, so medyo makikabigatan siya. So ayan. And in terms of comfortability, this para siyang maiko-compare ko dun sa Kobe 4 ko. Ganun yung comfort niya. So even though it has a break-in period, this is very comfortable. And yung Velcro straps niya, very effective. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng straps nila. So pag kung pinanglaro nyo to, feeling ko hindi to matatanggal. And in terms of bounce, yung Cloudlight, I can compare it to my Harden Volume 3. Ganun yung bounce niya compared dun sa Boost. So very effective yung rebound and bounce nitong sneakers na to. In terms of the boom unit, hindi ko siya masyadong maramdaman itong part na to. I don't know because parang twice ko pa lang nagagamit, pero hindi ko siya masyadong ramdam dito sa likod. Yung Cloudlight, ramdam na ramdam ko. And the Pro Bar, ang feeling ko dito is parang minold niya yung arc ng feet nyo sa loob together with the insole, so parang secure yung feet niya. Wala akong nararamdaman na heel slippage or anything that is uncomfortable with this sneaker. So ayun lang. And in terms of availability, aside from the Way of Wade website, you can check this out locally. I'm not sure saan na siya binibenta ngayon kasi wala ng Olympic Village as far as I know. But I can see someone selling this online in Lazada. So check nyo na lang. I got this for $140, so around 6 to 7 with the shipping. So ayun lang. So what I can say about this sneaker is that this is very comfortable for casual use and also for working out. In terms of basketball, I haven't used it, but I think this is very effective if you're a basketball player who likes a low-cut sneakers. And I think that's everything that I can say about this sneaker. For those who haven't subscribed to us yet, please subscribe to us and check our FB and IG. So this is Howie, Solfix out. Keep moving forward.